What's up guys? It's your
What's
boy,
up, guys?
The Golden Boy is back.
What's up guys? The Bajau is here.
So mag-interview tayo ngayon guys. This is the first one.
Hi!
This is Jigs, Little Jigs of Vegas. Say hi.
Hi!
Wow. So siya sa kanya, interview natin siya guys.
Sino? Para ni Kuya Will. Hi guys! I hope everybody is okay. Okay ba kami?
Papakala ko yung mga karakter sa vlog ko guys ha. Mga unlock natin
Hi!
player.
Welcome guys!
Customer kami.
Okay, so...
And made with butter.
This one with cream, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. And you said venti?
Yes.
Okay. That's it?
Yes.
$12.73.
I use my points.
Sure?
So what's up guys? Nagpapanggap siya ngayon.
Napanggap akong maano.
So ito na guys, interview natin siya guys. Oy, state your name, ID, and address. Pakala ka sa vlog ko.
Ha?
Your age.
My age?
What's your name?
60.
What's your name?
Jigs here and I'm 60 years old.
And how many years in you working here?
Working here for going 11 years.
Wow.
I'm 60 and I'm working here 70 years.
So ano masasabi mo sa work mo na?
Okay naman.
Okay naman? Kamusta ang buhay?
Yun lang. Well, just pa more. Ito, nagpapanggap para magka-dollar. Pwede kaya?
So ano pa? So guys,
Masaya pa naman
ano
yan,
na,
guys.
FYI lang guys ha, siya yung leadman namin dito guys. Bet ano?
Masaya pa rin ang
Senior
buhay.
leadman.
Masaya pa rin ang buhay.
How's it being a leadman? How's it?
Stressful.
Why?
Stressful because you guys are all annoying and crazy.
Para maririnig ko lang akong mic eh. Guys, pasensya na wala akong mic.
Where's your mic?
Sa bahay eh.
Down.
Anong masabi mo? Ano pinagkaiba na barista sa leadman? Anong difference?
A lot of responsibilities.
As you, because ano yan, tatlo yan guys ha? Barista, leadman, tapos senior leadman.
A lot of
Hindi ano yan
responsibilities.
yung leadman guys. Yung
A lot of
senior
responsibilities, but compensation, no good. Libre.
You enjoying your work?
Libre, walang bayad.
You enjoying your work?
Enjoying so far, almost 11 years. My goodness. Yes.
11 years guys, tagapagmana na.
Tapos ako na magiging may-ari dito. Pwede kaya yun?
Ito yun.
Pwede kaya
Go
yun?
back to work.
Oo,
Pwede
isa.
kaya yun?
Bangan nyo guys, bablog ko rin to. Mayayain to eh. Virgin kasi. So yun guys, yung ganyan kasipag yun, no? Yung leadman namin, no?
Diba? Ito
Bas-
na, nag-video, tamad yan.
Oh, papakita ng guys, wala kasi kami customer. Interview natin siya. Ay. Hi ma'am, welcome in. So guys, nag-busy kami. Interview tayo ulit.
Ito yung vlog.
Ito ka.
Ito.
Mamaya, interview ko rin yan.
Alam mo, ito, this is Fender right here. He's one of the best here.
He's one of the best.
He's one of the best here in our store. 75573.
My phone number is 702.
Hi there. How are you?
I interview in my next vlog ha. I content you. Okay?
I wear the medal tomorrow.
Just read up us.
Yeah?
Any
Yeah?
Tomorrow, because I got today.
preference, dark
Okay.
roast,